Firstly, loosen and align the locking nuts at both sides, then insert the soft close into their channel in the top rail, leaving approximately 10mm from the top guide. The spring should be furthest away from the top. Fasten the soft close into place by tightening the locking nuts on each end, making sure they engage with the top rail. Mark the groove location from the middle of the soft close unit onto the door and prime the soft close. Now fit the door into place and position it where you need, transferring the pencil mark from the door onto the top track. Making sure the door is level, using the adjustment screws at the bottom of the door, measure the distance from the bottom of the top rail to the top of the top track. Using this measurement, subtract 37mm and cut the soft close pin to length. For example, if the measurement is 55mm, then the pin height will need to be 18mm. Screw the pin into place so the nib lines up with the pencil mark made previously. Please note, for a right side closing door, the nib needs to be to the back of the track. For a left side closing door, the pin needs to be to the front. Now test that the soft close engages correctly. If this works, then secure the pin by using the additional screws. However, if your door doesn't close properly, then adjust the pin to the left or right to suit. Repeat this on all other doors.